Solid yung gimbal niya. Hi, so this is the newest Honor Robot Phone and ngayon titignan natin kung gaano ka-smooth yung gimbal niya. So tara, try natin. So guys, as you can see, ganito ka-solid yung gimbal niya. Diba? As you can see, sobrang solid ang gimbal niya. Talagang sinusundan ako. Diba? The phone stay there, but the camera is, diba? Sinusundan. So, diba? Sobrang grabe talaga yung innovation ng bagong Honor Robot Phone. So guys, check nyo na to. Bye. We'll go back here.
180 degrees ba yung ano?
Solid.